I ain't got no brother. I ain't got no brother to drive the steers with me. I'm a poor lonesome cowboy, poor lonesome cowboy, poor lonesome cowboy, and a long way from home.
There's a difference. It's like you and thinking. You're not dumb, you just don't like thinking. That sort of it?
Hi, folks.
I love that song.
Always something, Arthur.
Yeah, that's that sort of it.
Not bad. Thank you for all your work.
Of course, Mr. Morgan.
Hi, Stroud.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do.
Hello, Arthur.
Another day and we're still alive.
Of course we are.
Well, anyway, best not tempt fate.
Okay.
All right?
Hello, Arthur.
Bad ambition will see you far.
Thanks, Arthur.
Just keep a calm head on your shoulders.
All right, Arthur.
All right. I think I'll call it a night. There he is.
Hello, Arthur.
Managing not to annoy folks?
Very funny.
I was being serious.
Okay, then.
Hey, folks.
Hey, Arthur.
Another day, another dollar.
Yes, indeed.
Well, we're still here. That's something.
All right, Arthur.
Are you there?
Oh, I ain't joking. Use that tiny brain of yours, and whatever you think is right and proper, do the exact opposite. Then, you'll raise a man.
Just like your mama did? Raise a real man? Like you?
Hey.
Yeah?
What are you up to?
Thinking of heading out in a bit.
Okay. We'll catch up with you later then.
Fine.
Hello, Abigail.
Mind if I sit?
Don't talk to me, Arthur.
You and the boy got everything you need?
Yeah, we're fine.
All right, well, you let me know.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Listen, I know I ain't well, but don't pity me. Envy me. I've done all a man could want. My grandfather farmed turnips in some bog in Lincolnshire. In Lincolnshire, which I'm told is in England, famous for turnips. I've never had to eat a turnip in my life. I'm a product of this country. False, true, bad, a little good, tough, old. Don't you worry about me. I'm okay. Ran in a gang for years, never earned a legal dollar. Saw unspeakable evil and remarkable kindness, usually from the same folks. Raised and lost a family. Saw pretty much the whole country, from Madison Avenue to San Francisco. Did bad, did good. Guess I ain't unlucky at all. Guess I'm real lucky. This is what you're offered.
Gentlemen,
Might as well rest while you can.
How are you?
anything I need to know about?
Not that I can think of.
Well, you know where I am. Most of the time.
All right, then.
You okay?
Hey there, Arthur.
You've been doing good.
Thanks, Arthur.
Keep at it.
Sure.
Hey, Javier.
Hello, Arthur.
You ever miss home?
Sure. All the time.
Must be hard, being so far away.
All right, Arthur.